Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making home-style braised chicken with scallions.
Look at that shine. The chicken soaked up all that savory scallion flavor. Tender, glossy, and smells incredible.
Alright, let's get into it.
I've got 3 bone-in thighs here, and we're gonna start by deboning them with kitchen scissors. Just cut along the bone. Then peel off the skin. Now chop the chicken into bite-sized chunks. Nothing too big, just enough for one solid bite. Makes it way quicker to cook and easier to eat. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and massage it in. It really helps tone down that raw smell. Next, add 3 tablespoons of dry flour. Yep, flour. Massage it in until it starts sticking a bit. Then rinse the chicken well a few times with clean water. Now pat it dry with paper towels. The drier, the better. This way it can soak up the marinade later. Alright, let's get some flavors on the chicken. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of white pepper, and then 2 tablespoons each of cooking wine, light soy sauce, and 10 grams oyster sauce. Now just get in there with a hand and really mix it all up. Make sure every piece gets a good coating. No shortcuts here. We want that flavor all the way through. Then 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to lock in the juices. Give it one last mix and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. While that's marinating, let's make the sauce. 1 tablespoon each of light soy sauce and dark soy sauce, a teaspoon each of salt, sugar, white pepper, and about 150 milliliters of water. Give it a stir and set it aside. Now grab a scallion, cut the white parts into chunky diagonals, and the green tops into sections. Keep them separate, we will use them at different times.
Alright, let's start cooking.
Add some oil in the wok. Toss in the green scallion parts and stir fry until they start to brown and smells amazing. Then drop in 1 star anise and a few Sichuan peppercorns. Let those fry for a second. Then scoop everything out. Now we've got the beautiful fragrant scallion oil. Alright, chickens go in. Spread it out so every piece touches the wok. Let it sear until the surface is lightly golden brown. Now toss in the minced ginger, garlic, and a few dried chilies. Give that a quick stir. Smells so good already. Then pour the sauce in. Pop the lid on and let it simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes. Alright, looks like the sauce has reduced nicely. Thick, glossy, and clinging to the chicken just right. In go the scallion whites. Give everything a quick toss. Just enough to bring out that sweet oniony aroma. Once they start to soften, we will finish it off with a splash of sesame oil. One last toss to coat everything, and that's it. Smell that! Can you imagine this bubbling away in your own kitchen?
Wow, the chicken has got a nice little char on the outside, and it's still juicy. I'm telling you, this is comfort food right here. Try it once, you will want to make it again. Thanks for watching. See you next time.